What I do here at JPL is I'm a scientist here, and I work on a lot of different satellite missions, and in particular I'm working on a mission called GRACE that's measuring Earth gravity. And so I'm analyzing data, trying to find out more about Earth, our system, how it works and how it all plays together. Actually, I started off studying theoretical mathematics, and then when I came closer to finishing my master's, I was thinking, like, what should I do with this? And then I started to think, like, I actually want to do something more that applies to the real world. And so I thought, okay, I saw some positions open for doing a PhD in physics and specifically in earth science, so that got my interest, and here I am today. The average day, I do a lot of data analysis. We do get the data from the satellites. Then you have to do a lot of stuff to convert them to make actually a nice map that you would see later. And so I look at these data and try to see if there's any anomalies that we haven't seen so far in the weather and climate system, and try to explain it. Yeah, so one of the coolest things I got to do was go on a research cruise to Antarctica, where we actually deployed and recovered instruments from the deep ocean to look at the data to see what the data says here on the ground compared to what we see with the satellites. I'm definitely excited about the launch of the next mission we have coming up that improves our knowledge of the gravity field, of Earth's gravity field. It's called GRACE Follow-On, so I'm working on the GRACE mission. GRACE Follow-On mission is coming up to launch in 2018, and that will even then enhance what we've learned so far about what gravity tells us about the water cycle, about Earth, and so on.